DJT Stock Thursday. Am I a buyer or am I a shorter? You know, calls, puts, what's going on? Longs, shorts. First of all, the only thing that I want to say is that, yeah, it's like 5.56% up and whatnot. This is how my chart looks like. Ultimately, I'm still looking for long side. But break even got hit from this previous, let me show it, from this previous long link that I got on my real, you know, my official chart here. Generally speaking, right now with DJT, because it's like, again, it's on the bleeding edge, but I definitely would give it some room. If it gives me this double break, then literally nothing will stop me from taking things even higher. So that's how DJT looks like. I will most definitely continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, just click the first link in the description. That's the free newsletter. And for the people who remember the WAC, bro, that was stamped. Those longs were the longs. Like, yo, yeah, I'm not gonna get into it.